Today I'm going to show you how to make Funfetti Fairy cakes. You will need 115 grams of margarine or butter, 115 grams of self-raising flour, 115 grams of caster sugar, 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons of sprinkles. Firstly, in a bowl, cream together your butter and sugar until well combined and creamed. Then add your eggs and mix well. Then add your flour and again mix well. Then finally add the sprinkles and mix until they are completely combined with the batter and well spaced out. Then in a pre-lined muffin tin, put your batter into your fairy cake cases. Then in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted, bake for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden. And there you have it. That's how you make Funfetti Fairy cakes.